Hello, my name is Stephanie, and today I'm going to tell you how a contactor works and how to test one. As you can see in this case, we're looking at the condenser and the contactor is located here, which is usually found in the casing that goes to cover the capacitor and the contactor, which is usually where the high voltages come in and everything, okay? So before you test anything, you definitely want the power. You want to be safe. Okay, so sometimes that can be power on, power off, but in this case, since this system isn't connected, we're going to learn how to check it with the power off. First of all, what the contactor does is allow the electricity to get passed through and power whatever device or whatever wire the thermostat calls for. For instance, if we need to turn on the fan blower motor, this bad boy here will click in, allowing the energy to pass through, hit the capacitor, and the capacitor will start and run whichever device the thermostat called for that has to do with the condenser in this case, okay? So usually when you test a contactor, you want to test it in ohms, all right? If you don't know what ohms are, you can take a quick look on this thing right here, our metering device. And I always say the one that looks like the horseshoe. You see it there? Zoom in, little horseshoe. All right, so to test it, of course, that sticks on your machinery condenser. And you pretty much want to place your points on the little screws here on the bottom and the top. You do it this way, you're not going to get nothing, okay? So you want to do it here and here. And this is basically checking for continuity. And when you press this in, uh-oh, what happened? There you go. Let's switch this over. Sorry about that. When you press this bad boy in, there you go. I gotta stick it on there, you guys. As you can see, this contactor works because you're hearing that hum noise because the energy is now flowing through. It's not. It is now. It is not. Now, this side is the side that has the part that basically does not transfer the electricity all the time. But as you can see here, this side does not have a push-in device, which means this side always has continuity. All right? Because it's always going to be providing power. You want to know more information about a contactor? Google it. But overall, those are your basics. Thank you.